Pancakes are yummy, breadsticks are yummy. Put them together and you have a breakfast that's extra yummy. Nutella pancakes and breadsticks are the perfect way to start your day. They are sweet, crunchy, and fun to eat. This recipe is easy to make. You can even get the kids to help. Are you ready for a yummy adventure in the kitchen? Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let's gather all our ingredients. This is an essential step to ensure we have everything we need right at our fingertips. You'll need 2 sets of ingredients, one for the delicious Nutella pancakes and another for the scrumptious breadsticks. Having them organized will make the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. For the Nutella pancakes, you will need a few simple ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, grab some pancake mix, the kind you buy at the store, milk and eggs. These will form the base of our fluffy pancakes. And of course, don't forget the Nutella, the star of the show. This will add a rich chocolatey flavor that everyone loves. For the breadsticks, you will need a few different items. Start with some bread dough, you can find this at the store too, and melted butter. The butter will give the breadsticks a golden, crispy texture. And finally, you'll need some cinnamon sugar. You can easily make this by mixing sugar and cinnamon together. This will give the breadsticks a sweet, spicy kick. Now that we have everything we need, let's get ready to make a delicious breakfast. With all our ingredients gathered, we're set to create something truly special. First, we'll make the pancakes. Get ready to create the fluffiest, most delicious Nutella pancakes you've ever tasted. Pour your pancake mix into a big bowl. Make sure you have enough mix to make a generous stack of pancakes. Follow the instructions on the pancake mix box to add the right amount of milk and eggs. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect consistency. Mix everything together with a big spoon. Stir until the batter is smooth and free of lumps, but don't overmix. Now for the fun part. Add big spoonfuls of Nutella to the pancake batter. Be generous with the Nutella for that rich, chocolatey flavor. Don't mix it in too much. We want swirls of Nutella in our pancakes. The swirls will create pockets of gooey Nutella in every bite. Heat a little bit of butter in a pan. Make sure the pan is hot enough so the pancakes cook evenly. Pour the pancake batter onto the hot pan. Use a ladle to get the perfect size and shape for your pancakes. Cook the pancakes until they are golden brown on both sides. Flip them carefully to ensure they cook evenly and don't break apart. Enjoy your fluffy Nutella pancakes. Section 4. Baking crunchy breadsticks. While the pancakes are cooking, we can make the breadsticks. Roll out your bread dough on a clean counter. Use a knife to cut the dough into long strips like French fries. Place the breadsticks on a baking sheet. Brush them with melted butter and sprinkle them with cinnamon sugar. Bake the breadsticks in the oven until they are golden brown and crispy. Section 5. Serving up your delicious breakfast. Today, we are going to show you how to create a breakfast that is not only delicious, but also visually stunning. Your Nutella pancakes and breadsticks are ready. These are perfect for a cozy morning or a special brunch with loved ones. Stack the pancakes on a plate. Make sure to create a beautiful tower that will impress everyone at the table. Arrange the breadsticks next to the pancakes. The combination of soft pancakes and crunchy breadsticks is simply irresistible. You can even add some fresh fruit like strawberries or blueberries. This not only adds a burst of color, but also a refreshing taste. Now it's time to enjoy your delicious breakfast. Gather your family or friends and share this delightful meal together. The pancakes are soft and fluffy with sweet swirls of Nutella. Each bite is a perfect blend of texture and flavor. The breadsticks are crunchy and sweet with a warm cinnamon flavor. They complement the pancakes perfectly. This is a breakfast that will make you smile. It's a wonderful way to start your day on a positive note. What are you waiting for? Dive into this delicious breakfast and savor every moment. Try this recipe and let us know how it turns out. We are sure it will become a favorite in your household. Enjoy!